Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous, freshly rebuilt 1956 Chevy 3100 Stepside. A little bit resto modded, huh, Fred?
Yes.
Finished in Cadillac white. It's like a pearly white, a little bit of metallic. The grill is screaming, man. All brand new, right?
All the chrome on the entire car is brand new. Outside and inside, everywhere.
Looks
the
fantastic.
Wheels, the tires, the moldings,
Yeah.
the handles.
Those
all
are
the
Riddlers.
glass and the rubbers are brand new. Complete new exhaust system. The frame was completely painted before the body was put on, which is pretty recent. Brand new exhaust system, brand new gas tank, all new brake system.
Killer
Car's
stance.
ready to go.
Really is nice, man. Love the stance. Just fucking nice. Love the white on the red too, you know? Really pops.
It's different. There's not many white pickups around, especially this color white. It's not a white.
Yeah, it's like a pearly white. Brand new taillights, rear bumper also, gate chains. I like how they did the rhino lining on the inside here. Oak wood. These are included. These are brand new rubbers. They just have to be installed. Gas tanks relocated to the back. Super nice. Love these wheels too. Riddlers are not cheap. Nice big deep dish.
It's all metal too. There's no fiberglass here.
Nice. I like how they did the white on the inside of the emblem. Man, this paint is beautiful. Fred, can you fire it up? $350, mild cam. Killer interior. Red really pops, you know? It's one of my favorite. Triple humpback seat. Tilt wheel, looks like an Ididit wheel. Dolphin Gauges showing 19 miles. That is awesome. Completely smoothed over on the inside. Love how the door panels go all the way down to the bottom. Nice deep rich pile on the carpet. Also has thick matting in there as well. Can you pop the hood? All the door handles, interior handles, all new wiring. $350, power steering, power brakes, mechanical fuel pump, brand new battery, aluminum radiator. You know what I like about it? It's not overly done. Electronic ignition. Got a Holley 650. Manifolds, no crazy exhaust. These motors are so reliable, you know?
Yeah, it's a bulletproof motor.
Bulletproof. They run cool. 170, 180 all day long. It's like a 700 R4 tranny. Very nice. Nicely done. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. Thanks again, Fred. Beautiful truck.